it's Melanie from EnjoyFreebies.com. And about 4 weeks ago, I dyed my hair this beautiful purple color that was so vibrant and so pretty. Look at this before picture of how cool this color was. Look at this after picture of the first time I shampooed my hair. It was completely not purple anymore and almost more like a strawberry orange. And I was devastated. I just paid all this money for this great dye job and it turned to shit, basically. And not to mention what I went through to get this vibrant shade of purple. This girl, she bleached my hair, which I should have known was a big mistake, and it just turned into straw. I mean, look at this. It's just completely fried and frizzy, and it looks terrible. I just tell you, I'm so mean. I played a little trick on my husband. He would love to see me with blonde hair. I actually sent him a photo of my hair with the bleach in it, and it was totally blonde and destroyed. Here's the picture, you can see. And I said, I'm going blonde, and he's like, oh, cool. So then when I came back with the purple hair, he was so disappointed. But you know what? I'll just get a freaking wig. I'm not going through that shit again, okay? Bleaching your hair fries the hell out of it. And honestly, I'm kind of regretting even doing this to my hair now. So I bought this shampoo, and I tried this color shampoo, and it did a better job. It made it look a little bit better, but because of the bleach in my hair, the color was really blotchy. So I've been seeing this ad all over the place. It's been all over my Facebook feed for this conditioner called Overtone. And I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm gonna bite the bullet and I'm gonna try this product, and I'm gonna pray that this actually will help me get the color back that I so sorely missed. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing and show you what comes inside. So first thing it says on the box is, let's take a hot shower together, which is kind of nice because people who have bright colored hair know that you're supposed to rinse it in cool water in order to keep the color. But who wants to take a cold shower? I certainly don't. And let's see what's inside this box. So there's a little card here. Okay. So it's this big old chart here, and it talks about the different types of products that they offer. It asks about if your hair is faded or you're maintaining, or if you've done a strand test. Well, I have not done a strand test, and I'm probably not going to do a strand test because whatever I do has got to be better than what I have right now. But I am doing this for faded purple hair, and I'm going to try this product for it. So I actually bought the deep treatment right here. So let's see what it looks like. So it comes in this little wrapped container here, and here is the product. So it's Overtone Extreme Purple Deep Treatment. Now I went with the Extreme. I actually emailed somebody over there because they have different levels, and I ended up going with the Extreme because I don't want any blotches left in my hair. I want my hair to be one solid purple color. So, ooh, wow, that is very bright. Oh, and it smells almost like, I'd say it has almost like a little bit of a menthol type scent to it. So I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash it in a regular shampoo this time. And what you're supposed to do is use disposable gloves and apply this treatment to wet hair and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You could even use it on dry hair if you want. So let's see if the Overtone conditioner is really all that. We'll be back. So I used the Overtone product in the shower. I washed my hair with regular shampoo, and I left that product on for about 10 minutes while my hair was wet. I put it up in like a little clippy thing, did my thing, rinsed it out after 10 minutes, and this is the finished result. And something to note about the Overtone Extreme Purple is there's different shades for every color. I mean, it ranges from pink to green to blue, and then they have pastel, they have vibrant, or they have extreme. Extreme deposits the most amount of color, which is really what I was looking for. You will definitely want to use gloves while you're doing this. Your shower may look like you just murdered Barney in there. It could get purple all over it. You can just use a little bit of bleach, or you can use some vinegar and spray down the walls with a really good scrubbing to get that stuff off. It also comes off over time, just so you know. So after a little bit of experimenting, I finally got my purple back. I got my purple back. No, I'm a dork. And you know how I did it? I actually used the Overtone Extreme Purple Deep Treatment on my hair while it was dry. And what I did was I separated my hair into sections. I'm gonna show you what I did. Gloved hands, I ran the product through all of my hair, made sure that it was completely saturated, and then I put everything up and let it sit in a shower cap for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out. And this is the finished result. It looks like a fresh dye job, and I am super happy. Sorry about the roots. This is about 3 or 4 weeks since I've actually had it dyed, but look, it's so much better now, isn't it? And in the sunlight, it glows so bright. It is so beautiful. I love it. So I am super happy. These are the products that I'm using. Celeb Luxury Extreme Purple Color Wash Shampoo. You can get this on Amazon. It's around like $22, I think is what I paid for it. Use this to wash your hair. You can just use like a regular conditioner. I actually really like this one from Shea Moisture. This is the Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Cream Rinse. I really like this product because my hair tends to get really greasy, and this actually rinses out really well. And then when your hair starts to fade, go ahead and use the Overtone Extreme Purple Deep Treatment. You put it on your dry hair, I swear to God, it works like, it's like a miracle. And it leaves your hair totally soft, which I love. Hair masks are the bomb.com when it comes to maintaining bright fantasy colored hair and leaving it feeling amazing. If you're interested in any of these products, I'll put the links down below in my video so you could find out where to get them yourself. What do you think of the results? And the cool thing is that these products are available for other colors of hair like blue, pink, red, orange. So there's a product out there for any fantasy shade of hair color, so you can transform your look whenever you want. As for how well it works over other colors, I really can't say. I can only tell you after using it on my own hair that was bleached and processed. If you were to use it over dark hair, it would probably add a nice little highlight to your hair, but it does work best to, I think, really to refresh your color. So what do you think of my hair? Do you like it? Do you like the purple? Do you miss the burgundy? Leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching.